What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. I've been slacking lately. If you guys watched my other review of a beard company, didn't wasn't a really great video, and I kind of didn't think I would have this much effect on me, but it did. But unfortunately, the show must go on. So here we are. I did a couple before. Uh, those were kind of tough to do after getting over something like that, but it comes with the territory. Uh, as a reviewer, you got to be open, honest, transparent, etc., etc., and that's what I want to do. So, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we got a company out of Florida. The originality of this company is pretty awesome. Stay tuned and we'll get right into this. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Thanks for all the continued support. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you watch the video and you like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Tonight we're gonna go over a company out of Florida. Like I said before the intro, the originality of this company is amazing. It's great, and you'll see why I'm kind of chuckling when we get into the review. The company is out of Florida, and it's called the Lady Juice Beard Oil Company, and it goes with the name, as you can see, and it's just pretty awesome. Standard dropper top bottles. Just the originality is so awesome. Like, when I seen this on Instagram, I thought it was the coolest thing, because I don't see too many companies with that kind of theme. And you know what? I love it. The oils work for me. The scents are great. They smell good. They got their own little twist on the names, and it's just all originality is awesome. They sent me 4 oils to use and go over for you guys to review. When this company made these oils, they weren't just thinking about the men's beard. They were also thinking about our ladies and what they would enjoy. So they came up with, I can't remember how many scents they have, but they sent me 4, like I said. And the first one we'll go over is called Backseat Baby. Just so cool. I love that. I love that name. I don't know if you guys could see that. And the ingredients are argan oil, jojoba oil, and Lady Juice proprietary blend of essential oil blend. And like I said, these oils work great in the beard. They make my beard soft. They got a nice golden hue to them. And the Backseat Baby, when you think of backseat, you think of leather. Not all cars are leather seats, leather interior, but come on, guys, we're men. Come on, think about it. Leather seats, you're in the back seat, you get that leather smell. But this one also has it's got the leather in it, it's got a citrus note in it, and it's got some cedar wood in it. And right off the bottle open, you get that cedar scent. Hints of that leather, and when you warm it up in beard, you get the full-blown cedar, leather, and the citrus notes. You get tiny little citrus notes, but you can tell it's there. It's not overpowering, but overall, it smells really awesome. And that was Backseat Baby. This next one, this is funny. It's called Pound Town, and I don't need to explain that one. I got my cheat sheet. Pound Town is sandalwood, vanilla, cedar, and leather. So this is your cologne type scent. And that's exactly what it is. It's a nice subtle cologne type. It's not too harsh. It's not too strong on your nose. You get that real mellow scent. Again, same ingredients, same consistency. And it's got a like a real nice cologne scent. That cedar and leather, those two are the ones that really pop out in this one. And the Pound Town, like I said, is sandalwood, vanilla, cedar, and leather. Just great oils. I love the names. Standard dropper tops, amber dropper bottles. And the next one is kind of a personal favorite of mine. It's called Reverse Cowgirl. And you guys, we're men again. Reverse Cowgirl. I'm sure we've all been there. The scent in this is bergamot, vanilla, and sandalwood. And right off the bottle open, I get the bergamot. You heat it up, you get that nice sandalwood and vanilla mixed in with the bergamot. It smells almost, it's on the border of a nice cologne scent. I believe this one lasted the longest, about six and a half hours. And that was Reverse Cowgirl. So awesome. These are just, I love the names of these. They're just great, you know. And the final one, we've all been there at least once or twice. I know I have. Come on, guys. The Walk of Shame. It's just awesome. I love these freaking names. And the Walk of Shame is just your standard vanilla tobacco. And the scent on this, you get that really nice vanilla sweetness, and the tobacco on the back end of it. Just a nice, good blend. This one's a little lighter on the blend. I don't know if you guys can tell that. But I use this one the most. I mean, I don't know if you guys could see that. But this one was really good. My favorite is obviously tobacco and sandalwood. I got a lot of favorites. Ever since I started doing these reviews, I've gained a lot of favorite beard oils. But that was the Walk of Shame. These oils are $16 for a 1 ounce. Like I said, they're out of Florida. They're a new company. Remember Lady Juice Beard Oil. And like I said, they came up with these oils not just for us men and our beards, but they created these scents because they were thinking about the ladies too. I'll put all the links in the description, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed using these oils. Like I said, the scents lasted good, 6+ hours. They felt good in beard, what a beard oil should do. I want to say thank you to the owner for sending them out to review. I appreciate it. Guys, check these guys out on Instagram. Everything will be in the description. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. I know I enjoyed doing this review. Till the next one, guys. Peace.